Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tool Week in Review. I'm Rob. We have breaking tool news.
The Milwaukee Pipeline event has started, and we just watched them announce the all-new Milwaukee M12 23GA pin nailer, and we've got some details and additional photos coming up next. This is the Milwaukee M12 23GA pin nailer, the most compact cordless pin nailer, combining precision and power to deliver the performance that professional carpenters and remodelers demand. The obvious benefits include leaving your compressor or gas cartridges at home. Just as importantly, this thing is small and light, making it easy to get it into tight spaces and confined corners. Now, the nailer uses a nitrogen air spring mechanism, ensuring consistently sunk pin nails at precise depths into hard or soft woods, leaving small, clean nail holes. The double-action trigger and non-marring precision point tip allows for sequential driving and accurate pin placement, even in delicate trim pieces. It also has a dry-fire lockout feature which prevents misfires or damage to your workpiece. With a capacity ranging in length from 1/2 inch to 1 3/8 inch pins, you can expect up to 750 pin nails per charge, which should go a long way even for trim carpenters. The M18 23GA pin nailer will no doubt be an ultra popular tool as soon as it comes out, but unfortunately, you won't be able to purchase it until sometime in Q1 of 2021.
The Milwaukee Pipeline 2020 event is broken up into 4 episodes that span from August 20th to November 12th, and as every episode comes out and every product is revealed, we'll make new videos with extra photos and videos you haven't yet seen, and each one will be dropped into playlists linked below. So click there for all the latest, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get informed first as each new video goes live. We'll see you then.